Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use KuCoin's trading chatting tools. So I just tap on my KuCoin account and officially logged in, and I will just move in my market section. So from here I will just choose any coin like this Bitcoin. So when I open, so here is the trading chart. So green candlestick, it's mean that the price goes above, and the red candlestick means that the price goes in loss. So from here, when I was tap on this more icon, so from here you can just trade for 1 minute, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 2 hour, 4 hour, 1 week, and 1 month. So I will just set on 1 minute trade. So here is the graph of 1 minute trade. So from here you can just also just use the indicators for check the balance of higher and lower the graph, and you can also set the settings if you have placed any order in order history. So here you can just with your fingertips you can just zoom it, so it will be zoom in. You can just check the graph of charts. So this is how to use charts on trading KuCoin. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.